house in the dead of night. Shadows choking out the light. Names erased, no trace, no sound. Hope is buried underground. Children cry beneath the sky. Smoke replaces every prayer. Silence screams we can't deny. Death is hanging in the air. Voices fade, walls closing. History carved in human skin. Ashes fall like burning rain. Echoes trapped in endless pain. How did hate grow so strong? Turn the right into the wrong. Hear the cries we can't ignore from a never-ending war. Never forget, never deny. Truth will never truly die. Truly die. Trains roll on through fear and dust. Broken lives and shattered